For over 60 years, the company has specialized in manufacturing toy products inspired by vehicles such as airplanes and trains. Today, I'll show you how an airplane toy is made. Shall we take a look together? The process begins with cutting the raw material. Large steel plates are precisely cut into smaller sections that match the required dimensions for the toy's body components. Next comes the first pressing process. Using a powerful press machine, the flat steel plate is stamped into its initial shape. After this first press, the metal begins to resemble the basic outline of an airplane part. Then comes the second pressing stage. The partially formed piece is placed back into another die. Additional details and curves are pressed into the surface, refining the structure and adding depth. After that, the third pressing process takes place. This final press defines the fine contours, edges, and structural features that give the airplane body its distinctive shape. At this stage, the form is nearly complete. However, sharp edges remain along the iron plate. A rounding process follows. The edges are carefully smoothed and rounded to ensure safety and improve the overall finish. This step removes any burrs and sharp sections created during pressing. After rounding, the metal body appears clean, smooth, and ready for assembly. Now comes the finishing stage. The metal body is carefully aligned with plastic components such as wings, windows, or internal fittings. Each part is precisely positioned and secured firmly with screws. With assembly complete, the finished products move to inspection. Every airplane toy is carefully checked to ensure proper alignment, smooth edges, and secure fastening. Quality control ensures that each piece meets safety and appearance standards. Finally, the toys are packaged. They are placed into envelopes or packaging materials neatly and prepared for shipment. From a simple steel plate to a completed airplane toy, each step reflects decades of craftsmanship and dedication to detail.